Hi, my crafty friends. Thanks for joining me today. It is release day at the Not Too Shabby Shop, and I get to show you the new card box for the month of October. This one is called Deck the Halls, and we also have a giveaway and a video hop going along with it. So let's take a look at this fabulous kit, and I think this is one that's going to sell out really fast. First off are the sequins that coordinate with the pattern paper. I use these a lot to create my cards. The first of the 3 stamp sets you get in this kit is called Ornamental Christmas. And this has a lot of sentiments that you can stamp in this Christmas bulb, as well as 2 stamps you see at the top there that both say Merry Christmas and have little scenes in them. Stamp number 2 is called Gingerbread Kisses. And look at all of those cute gingerbread cookies. I also love the large sentiments included in this set. They say, "Have a sweet Christmas, Christmas wishes, and gingerbread kisses." The third set is called Merry Mugs, and look at those adorable mugs. There are several sentiments that you can stamp on the mugs. And again, these are really fun sentiments. There are 2 packs of ephemera die-cut pieces. They match the patterned paper. And I'll give you a closer look at these in just a moment. And here are the 2 pattern paper packs. This one's called Gnome Sweet Gnome. I love the color palette of this one. It has such dark, rich tones to the paper. The second one is called Gingerbread Kisses. This one's more cutesy. It includes lots of stripes and dots and distressed-looking pieces. So let me show you a closer look at our first set. Again, this one is called Gnome Sweet Gnome. You get 4 of each pattern, and they are double-sided. So I'm going to flip through these for you. I feel like I'm dealing out cards here when I do this, but I'm going to flip one over so you can see both sides. I love this block text pattern, and on the other side you have a pretty red polka dot. I love these bold red stripes. They're so beautiful. And then more stripes on the other side. So these are perfect for Christmas or winter even. Look at that cute picture of the gnome. Here's another gnome picture. And on the flip side, you get a beautiful glitter pattern. Now let's look at the coordinating ephemera pieces. I'll just pull these out on my desk. I'm going to speed this up just a little bit because you do get a lot of ephemera pieces. You get sentiments and some cute little gnomes, different styles. And all of these pattern papers and ephemera pieces have a pretty sheen on them, and it's very heavyweight paper that they're printed on. But look at those cute little, they look like Ugg boots to me. You get some pretty flowers and bells. And a lot of them come in different sizes, so you have a lot of options. Let me pull out the second collection. And again, this one is called Gingerbread Kisses. You get 4 of each pattern, as you did with the first pack. And these are double-sided. I really love the sheen on these patterns. And that also enables you to peel things back up if you make a mistake or misplace something on the card. You can peel up your dot liner or your foam pieces up very easily. This pack has a lot of adorable gingerbread cookie patterns. I love that red chevron pattern and the green diagonal stripes. So much fun. Now let's look at the coordinating ephemera. Get ready to see some really cute shapes in this pack. I don't think there's anything cuter at Christmas time than gingerbread cookies or gingerbread houses, and this is just chock full of them. You get some long chains to drape across your cards, and a lot of different sizes again. I like to use the larger sizes on the outsides of my card, and then a coordinating smaller size on the inside. And I do that on my first card. But look how adorable these little gingies are. So I'm going to share with you all of the cards that I created with this kit so far. Here is card number 1. If you'd like to see how I put these cards together or even craft along with me, I show that in a separate video, and I have the link in the description box below. But oh, I had so much fun putting these cards together. So while I'm showing you my cards, let me tell you a little bit more about the video hop going on, as well as the giveaway. To see all of the other design team members' videos in this hop, click on the hashtag N2S Deck the Halls. And make sure to hit that like button and comment on each video along the hop so that you can be entered to win the gift certificate. It is a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby Shop, and you enter through the Rafflecopter, which I will also have listed in the description box below. This giveaway will close on October 7th, and the winner will be announced at the Not Too Shabby Shop's YouTube channel. So on my first two cards, I used a lot of ephemera pieces and pattern paper. On card number 3, I used the set called Ornamental Christmas. It's a mini slimline. And then I created 2 regular slimline cards. This one is using the adorable stamp set with the gingerbread cookies called Gingerbread Kisses. I had so much fun coloring them in with my Copic markers. And I even stamped a pattern paper behind the cookies. With this set, you can make some really adorable cards to send out for Christmas. On card number 5, I used the Merry Mugs stamp set. I colored them in with Copic markers, and I even used a little bit of Distress Oxide ink behind them. I'll have the link to the Deck the Halls card box listed in the description box below if you're interested in checking this out. You can purchase this as a subscription and be assured a box every month before they run out, or you can buy it month to month. I hope you enjoyed this peek at the card box for October. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.